Everyone, I am Antora Shahrin Shithi from MIS207 section 3. Today I am going to present a mind map which is related with chapter Global E-Business. Now I'll talk about e-commerce history. .com boom, mid 1990s to 2000 rapid growth, innovation, key concepts developed. .com heavy venture capital investment. .com bust 2000 to 2003, overly gloomy news reports, irrational exuberance. 12,000 internet related business started, 200 billion invested, 100 billion of investors' money. 5,000 plus companies went out of business or accurate. Then the second wave. Then we talk about the second wave. The second wave 2003 to now. 2003, signs of new life, sales and profit growth at a rapid pace. Driving force, people with internet access increasing. Emphasis on business-driven approach, major e-commerce becomes a part of general economy. 2008, general recession, e-commerce heartless. COVID, e-commerce is most resilient extension of technologies, new models based on user-generated content, social networking services. Then we will talk about viral videos, popular through a viral process of internet sharing, high reach, low cost marketing, often interesting, funny content, engaging customers, no guarantee of a content of being viral. Then we'll talk about Google now versus 1998. There are so many questions. How has Google innovated in search and its business model? What happened? Who is involved? When did it take place? Where did it take place? Why did that happen? How did that happen? So many questions are there. Then we will talk about e-business innovation. In 1994, the company is called Amazon. Its category of innovation and business model is retailer. In 1995, March, there is a company Yahoo. Then directory and portal. In 1995, eBay online auction. In 1995, December, AltaVista.com search engine. So many things. Then we'll talk about growth of B2C customers, economic downturn to 2020 plus COVID, 2008 financial crisis. Then we'll talk about what is e-commerce and e-business. Three definitions of the relationship between e-commerce and e-business. Then come to electronic commerce characteristics. There are so many things: e-business adoption, complexity of buying decision, then purchasing characteristics, product characteristics, etc. Then come to B2B and B2C characteristics. Their characteristics: B2C customers, a lot of customers, low sales amount. B2B, few customers, supplier. E-business adapters, low to medium, high to very high. Complexity of buying decisions, relatively simple, individual and influencers. More complex buying process involves users, specifiers, buyers, etc. Channel, relatively simple, direct or from retailer. More complex, direct or via wholesaler, agent or distributor. Purchasing characteristics: low value, high volume, low volume, high involvement. Similar volume, some involvement, repeat orders. Then there are so many things. Then we'll talk about electronic data interchange. EDI, that is B2B transactions in computer readable data in standard format, standard transmitting formats. Benefits: fast, reduce errors, avoids printing and mailing cost, eliminates need to re-enter data. Then trading partners, business engaging in EDI with each other. EDI pioneers: General Electric, Sears, Walmart, improved purchasing processes and supplier relationships. Value added network, which is called VAN. More on B2B chapter. Independent firm offering EDI connection and transaction forwarding services. Ensure transmitted data security. Charge fixed monthly fee plus per transaction charge. Then we'll talk about e-business process. Activity task performed by a worker may or may not be related to a transaction value. Then transaction, an activity with exchange of value, purchase, sale, conversion of raw materials into finished product. Then we'll talk about business process. Also, it also called business method or business function. There are so many things in this. First one is the group of logical, related, sequential activities and transactions for a particular customer or customers. Break business down into a series of value-adding activities to generate profits, meet firm's goal. Then. Then we'll talk about transforming business process. Example business processes, there are purchasing raw materials, converting materials and labor into finished goods, scheduling transportation for delivery, hiring and training employees, managing business finances. Identify processes benefiting from technology, uses of internet technologies, improve existing business process, identify new business opportunities, adapt to change. Then let's talk about transaction cost. Total cost a buyer and seller incur while gathering information and negotiating includes then charge and then uh, improve existing business process and so many things. Then we'll talk about e-business model. Set of process to achieve company goal of yielding profit. Electronic commerce first wave. Investors sought internet driven business models. Expectations of rapid sales growth, market dominance, saw copying of successful .com business models. Then we'll talk about MIS207 framework. The model is most often used as an organizational analysis tool to access and monitor changes in the internal situation of an organization. So that is for now. Thank you so much, everyone.